And finally, NPP third vice chairman, Alhaji Masaudi Buga, Abechirimo, Abedin Koma Afa, Enwa assault na NDC Chairman, Azoka, assaulted no. Abedin Koma Afa, Nafe, Azoka, and Casso Abechirin Semo. Na JFK, Justin Fupon Kodia, on CMPP, also Abekasa Afa. Memon Chirmacha Amame, our comment section, a high Penyah block media, best was any demo. Over like if you do not have my subscribe button, so back the notification and updates. Updates, I'm better the Amame, our comment section. Best was about so, and what you don't for so any be action. It's a Akwatia By-Election manager pie if he said not security, tight, not security wise, no, so enhanced the point say, yeah, the Black Maria crab, Black Maria, I am something like prison car. I sure, yeah, the Akuship, Dungas so many dwell. I say prison by a car. That's any friend Black Maria. Wise no security wise no they so enhance na many IGP na Akwatia onom no pastor bia AC until say election day eba ye dem hu say obi kura be send threat
na be omo na hwehwe mobile election we mu.
But some of these actions is not troubling given the
we are waiting for them. We are ready for them. We know the plan they are taking. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But let me tell you, let me yes. I'm a communication officer in the party.
obi abe threat Justin from Kodia na be NPP goods. I want to say hey adena nyanye ye enkwasiafo abamu bi ala say ejimifo na bemo enkwasiafo na ba be doso ma later popi am say afnya marking boys na akotete NDC for the processor omo ebe tale ye police station ho no mo NDC for efu emu ana NDC vice chairman Azoka eba ho no oba na afnya marking no eno be say na word of caution says enko beto afnya marking in fact anka papa emba.
We understand that afnya marking was here
because of him where we come here.
You came here because of Penyah market.
We don't do by-election in hometown.
Why did you come here because of Penyah market?
Fiang, why did you want here? Is it the NDC? Is it the NDC secretary? What did you want here? Is it the NDC secretary? You are coming to our office to do what in our office? Asa, you people are journalists, talk to them. Here not be parliament that way they do no. Here is a freedom field. Well,
Chairman Azoka clearly unhappy and irate. Chairman Azoka, well, he says he's not taking it lightly. He actually said that he came here to meet Penyah Market Square, who allegedly stormed the NDC office in Akwatia to remove some of their posters, and it's a really tensious atmosphere here. The process has largely been peaceful until this incident. A number of the party supporters have all thrown here at the party office in Akwatia.
This for no FE. It said that no. Na Azoka Edwa. Azoka Edwa. Na say say obi timi come no. E do no ani krom ni sremuni. NPP third vice chairman Alhaji Masaudi I think no be calming down onu nya be Sri Lanka ayemo dia gora bia fine but on this Azoka bia like say your mother sir na adane ntokwa
Munkacho
anye jiri shela yema konna wanye ba konna jiri anye ba kanjel konna ne dismise ka anye bla your mother I say your mother look mpoda take anye ba ma ke brother anye ba ma brother wasa anye ba ma brother your mother
adane to kwatra point say Ghana police agent ho civilian timi tamu police ne twene sinchen emobi ko to Masaudi twede na issue by na man for nteza dey ba dey ko etimi ekofa ntokoi by na Masaudi no dey before this scene no din kan ya Azoka bibi anase dey ema eyewitness for din ka be kire mu nsem kakra
ba no ne kasa nti kasa na so no mu di agro nti mu di agro na di kasa se ne wo ye no hwe ne jai na kasa na wo ka ne nyesa na wo se wo de wo ka eti turu se kasa ne koso na no na be da ne se we di ne se bubo we aso mu di agro no eho ani bra no kura ne kura still hwa aso mu kasa no still osere na obi firi akire ba ya oba na obebo no what I say kuro ne ye wom for peace ye wom se be kontokwa o election Akwatia mo te se Akwatia ni bi ono ne Akwatia ni be ko because me hu mi na me no ko no kire me ko hu na me ka ne say what I say no mo firi omu bia no firi a o omu nyina o bia no firi a omu ya ho ye nimu omu ha aha no mu ye na enyi ye nimu bia wa ha what I say ye mo bi mbe ko no mbe say ye on be credit office ma ye what I say ye wa for peace because ne ekoso no sa na be bobo se we pie na be da no tokwa enye to continue ha because e di na say da ye pese be se biom ye wa se be bodi no ho ban mo mba na mo be ma di no nko vera na ma me da ne di foforo biom Akwatia di na say ne ye pese bo ho ban
bebe first ka akwan ikokuo no busia said the assembly see no this is what Alhaji Masaudi who was assaulted this is what he has to say
this TVB station B about this interview I'm granting me interview all na me who say Azoka but straight to where I was granting an interview no about straight me who no kura na me say oh na journalist ni bisa me say Alhaji so they say amu nyina mu wa no yanti say basa na me say oh basa bia no Azoka kura na gira no me nua me nyina problem bia ni ho me kasa no on say me no ya wa grow e di wo hu me no say your mother na me say your mother because of okasa me radio station time bia me kasa na me say your mother man na me no et say agro so yeah interview no buy na me say oh Azoka is my brother me kasa ya no say your mother na me dey me say agro so ka kwa me say na me say no your mother I was even look at the video carefully ube won say me ka yakuro kata say oh we are me bra so I don't want it to look like Akwatia say ohima we eje me no ka no Akwatia very peaceful IGP pesa e wa ha system commanders no nyina regional commanders no nyina wa ha commissioners no nyina wa ha police for e wo Akwatia obeka say Ghana police bia ni Ghana bia bio I see so ye nyina ye bompa ye say ye wie election we na sumpiem na abontusu bia be ye no mo say ye no ordinance no ye na edi ntapada so Azoka oba be ye sa no me mpese me react na enye te say ye kwa Akwatia na Akwatia aye peacefully Alhaji Masaudi na edi ntakoba because onu na ebo obi ana ye say onu na edi ntakoba so aye sa no na me say no me dey I will prove this man wrong meaning say obepe me ntakwa so aye sa no your mother na say oh we are my brother me dey me fa no hu kura say me grant me interview baby am ni bre say oh na me hu say the bodyguard back yi ni nsa ebo machi anya police kura e wo me hokura anka e dia e be si wo hokura na enye asempa oni me ba no ya wo boys wo but because anapa wo ye di boys no nam no na police officers no catch say no ye nam na boys di ekisa na e cause tension so ye di ye nya botre ye ma boys no and relax so me no because me who situation no na ntakwa bia ni honom no ya catch your boys say omo di omo relax sa bibi ba ye na e nsu ye dan e frɛ oba they be won say Azoka dey sa odun no boys no nam so oba ye no oya no 30% wo attack him masa oba bia na no no waka assemby 9% Ghana police me percent IGP me percent police CID for BNI for NTA dia Azoka kai because we see obekumi awa Akwatia obeku afenyo markings awa Akwatia even ohima we again Azoka timi bia na no say afenyo marking aye lucky kura oba ha won hunu no ankande anka as for your marking constituency anka omu prepare for another by-election because for your marking they will yes that is what Azoka said okache me say election we be we no omo akumi So they are okay, you know, say no, these people they have an evil plan against us. So my voice, you know, and yet the embra now musumbe putati say bibiba na enu omo e de e share eso because when him there how mo so him say ya de radio su na ye anu keke omo si say ye bema ye mbra akotia na say na akotia no aya obi papa dia say ye ba akotia omo be kire ya bibi na say no ye akotia no be bande ye be ba kira anya dia mu kanu na ebe prevent say ye mba akotia na dia ba akotia no mu nnim ade a ombe sa ka kire omu krofo so the ombe say ombe attack here. That is one of their plan. And their second plan Sazongo no even though NDC nya vote wo but that particular police station na na NPP nya no vote bebre wo so omo ba pesa omo ye basabasabi obo omo ana wo ye bibia na eya te say ntakwasi wo na ye na nkonfo omo betima pie etu abama mo no na omo ntimi nya MP omo ntimi pie ntu aba. This is their plan. This is what they did in Ablikumanov. So ya who know. So here ya in fact ntakwasa anhye omo because ya mpesa ohonom no eye jaga. But say I mean who kanu there. Akwatia very peaceful. Unam bebia there's no anybody attacking anybody. There's no any confusion. But the only confusion is this ignorant man. What this confusion by now ohima uyeje nipa onko school da nipa local makaranta kura onko da until classroom da even primary education kura won nibi now a political party like this I find say national vice chairman then no mo fa say on be kuntakwa so but santakwana azoka nimse obeye na oye popular yeah be man na popular pa popular pa but the mimika say Azoka there when you very very careful no where to who
okay
no who say
okay
politics you know yeah politics but aside of politics you know yeah bushiansu but so on here and no my politics no fun is that be obey had I know by that time no had I know
now
at last
the NDC speak. And sometimes I wonder what it is that they think they are doing or where they think they are. When this country, when the NDC split into three, they didn't die. They split into three. Do you remember NDP? Obeda Samoa?
Yeah.
Francis Esiam. Where did they come from? Where did they come from? Didn't they go and pour pepper and hot water on Francis Esiam and Obeda Samoa and Co at an NDC conference in Koforia? Be Dizidin and Co. Did they die? Is NDC not here? Why is he preaching to us and making it look like NDC? And he says from 1992. Which 1992? Since 1992, your party has split into three. Since 1992. How dare you? Because you've won power in 7 months, all of a sudden you are arrogating to yourself a certain invisibility. Since 1992, your party, do you remember Fonka Games? Never in the history of this country could anybody imagine that the founder's wife, the founder of the NDC's wife, would leave the party and form a party.
Yeah.
What moral authority do you have to make it look like you are some superpower? You are no superpower. You won an election in 2024, just as MPP won an election in 2016 and 2020. Keep quiet. Focus on the job. Fix the situation. As we speak, you have crudely removed the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana based on allowances and based on the transfer of her own subordinates. That is what you should be worried about. If there is anybody that is putting or threatening our democracy, it is your party and your government and the manner in which you are destroying every institution in this country. Fix that. As we speak, dollar has come down, but prices are high. Fix it. As we speak, gold holders are keeping the gold in their pockets because you are monopolizing the gold and you are giving them prices they don't want. Fix it. As we speak, the dollar that you made so much noise about and came all the way to 10, and you said that it was coming to 5, in the last 2 days has risen and almost hitting 12 cedis. Even when it was 10 cedis, Abochi was selling for 13 cedis. Today it is 12 cedis. Fix it. As we speak, students in Abri Girls, some of them are having only 1 meal in a day. Some are sleeping on the floor. Fix it. Those are the things that you should concentrate on. You see, There is no law that says that when you won 2024 elections, the entire country was mortgaged to you. The country had given you a mandate. Leave MPP's business to ourselves. If you didn't die after your party split into 3, if you didn't die after your party split into 3, then MPP will not die. If you didn't die, when the founder, do you know now Akwatia By-Election is a co-founder of the NDC? You know how formidable she was in the formation of the NDC. She has left your party. You didn't die. We will not die.
Emma Azoka so abetire nsemu.
Na Chairman Masawood o Jan ba biye ni interview na no boys. E kwato share so ma boys bo na so.
Oh masa aka ye mi Masawood e small boy. O ya kwara ona hondi o ye bayire kese kwa. Bayire kese e wo fufu. Masawood o nimmi. Bisa Masawood se wakachire e se onu betima bum. Me catch Masawood say at anywhere, day or night, between me and him.
Ah, when then?
Yeah, we are over there.
Chairman, when then?
You see, we are over there.
Chairman, I'm so you're violent too. Would you
violent?
Aye.
I say the violent.
I'm say chairman, so far as you are violent pa.
And I'm Masawood on violence. On Uncle Bumia, Uncle Catcher, on your own didn't see. Then catcher me so far as violence.
Azoka, we could
put me, Masawood me. And then Masawood on me, and then hello, what's your name?
Meet your Chairman Masawood say, Unia Hodin, to the one well no. Sasso, Crown or Pamela, Cassie, can you so would you now?
Me, hear me see. Any Masawood. Masawood Nukuma Apro, Ania Hondi.
Oh, Chairman, what's with the suit to me, Casa? Chairman
Masawood, Nukuma, Ultimate Kuntokwa. Oh, Nukuma, one say why Pumbulum. Nukuma, Apro.
Wadarma abato menyini sabato ye ntokwa sadia mode e kano so wo kasa wo sia obabia na de besi no sanye asempa wo
wosim mi Azoka mimi ni Masawood ade uma jama mburu too much no Masawood Nukuma Apro o jasie oni ahondi
Chairman Masawood. Madam, Chairman wa homa no so na se ma hwe no. But Chairman Azoka, there yatse no ebi kase police.
So when niam esi ye ene de obia ewo edeka. Obeta kire wa adwen amame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Akra.